Introducing Spyder's new Rapid Core Eject Door Lock Kit. Mark the desired height for the center of the latch hole on both your door and frame. Measure the thickness of your door. Adjust the door thickness pilot guide on your door jig accordingly. Pull out the black pilot guide from the door jig. Rotate it to match your door's thickness, either 1 3/8 or 1 3/4 inch, and reinsert it into the door jig. Align the door jig on the door, matching the notch on the jig with the height mark you made earlier. Secure the door jig with the clamp, but avoid over-tightening. Refer to your door lock's packaging to determine its backset measurement, either 2 3/8 or 2 3/4. Insert the pilot bit into your drill and position the bit into the corresponding backset hole on the door jig and drill a pilot hole completely through the door. Next, place the pilot bit into the pilot guide on the door jig and drill the pilot hole for the latch. After drilling both pilot holes, remove the door jig from the door and set it aside. Attach the 2 1/8 inch hole saw to the Spyder Rapid Core Eject arbor. Retract the spring-loaded pin plate. Screw the hole saw onto the threaded end of the arbor. Align the pin holes with the arbor pins, and release the pin plate to lock it in place. Insert the assembled hole saw and arbor onto your pilot bit by pushing the button. Install the optional plastic depth stop inside the hole saw if desired. Carefully drill the face bore hole halfway through one side of the door. Then, flip the door over and complete the hole from the other side. Remove any cores by pressing the Rapid Core Eject button on the arbor and pulling the assembly back to expose. Press the Rapid Core Eject button to remove the 2 1/8 inch hole saw and arbor from the pilot bit. Replace it with the 1 inch hole saw by retracting the pin plate, unscrewing the old hole saw, and attaching the new one using the same method. Drill the 1 inch latch bore through the edge of the door until it meets the face bore hole you drilled earlier. Remove the core by pressing the Rapid Core Eject button and pulling back the hole saw to expose. Finally, install your door lock set according to the manufacturer's provided instructions.